Welcome to MEO Class 4 Orals Question and Answers. In Orals, if surveyor has asked you the question, why rudder movement is 30 degrees to 35 degrees in 28 seconds, to answer this, we have to first see the SOLAS requirement. It says that at maximum ahead service speed, the rudder must be capable to put the rudder over 35 degrees on the one side to 35 degrees on another side and 35 to 30 degrees in not more than 28 seconds. So first we will see the rudder performance for this case. When the ship is having rudder angle at 0 degrees, then the sea waves will be passing via it. There will be no lift and there will be drag forces over it. As soon as we turn the rudder to 15 degrees and subsequently to the 30 degrees, then what will happen? There will be a kind of lift produced and there will be drag forces. But as we can see in the picture, there will be some kind of turbulence created and there will be disruption of the water flow. So it creates an angle. If we see the center line on the rudder and the sea waves, it makes an angle. If this angle crosses a 45 degrees, then the rudder will not produce any kind of the lift and there will be a sluggish movement and there will not be any effective kind of turning on the rudder. This is why we do not cross 45 degrees of the rudder performance. Also, typically the normal merchant ships and other navy ships are limited to 35 degrees because up to there will not be any kind of reduction of the lift. To see this, we have to first note this angle is called angle of stall. If we see graphically, the angle of stall is this 35 degrees, which is plotted against lift coefficient. As the angle is increasing, the lift coefficient will also increase, but up to this maximum lift point, which is called angle of stall, which is 35 degrees. Beyond 35 degrees, there will be a lift reduction, as we have seen in the diagram previously, that the drag forces have increased and there will be a turbulence. This is why we keep the rudder angle up to 35 degrees either side. So the question asked why the rudder steering angle is 35 degrees to 30 degrees. If we see 35 degrees on one side and 35 degrees on the another side, then there will be a progressively slowdown of the rudder movement from one side, from port side to the starboard side. So the engineers, the naval engineers have calculated that if we see the 35 degrees from one side to 30 degrees on another side, if we reduce the 5 degree forces or last, then the 5 degrees area in this portion of 30 to 35 degrees, the forces are too high and they are high resistance and it takes more time for the rudder to travel this path. This is why the SOLAS has reduced 5 degrees from 35 to 30 degrees and equally it has reduced 2 seconds from 30 to 28 seconds. This is why the rudder movement in SOLAS says 35 to 30 degrees in not more than 28 seconds. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.